Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Vechain update, guys. And what is going on with Vechain is nothing more than just a reflection of Bitcoin. And if you're not in the Discord, join me into the Discord as well. And it seems like finally we did have a little bit of an answer from the market makers as well. I'm gonna clear all these drawings right here, and it's like potentially Vechain is putting in some inverse head and shoulder, this being your left shoulder, your head, and that being your right shoulder right there. Now when do you take an entry, guys? So this was a level of resistance that has been broken. That was the neckline. So what I'm gonna say is, right now you did have some nice good green pumps, but you can see we're starting to make a little bit of a bearish engulfing candlestick on the 4-hour time frame, which means a reversal to the downside is going to happen. So I'm expecting Vechain to cool off down by 10%, nearly to the 47, and once it comes down to the 47, that's when you can consider taking in an entry and probably try to close the trade if it loses the trend line, and then boom, you're going to continue with the downtrend. So far that's a good thing about Vechain. If for it to continue, for it to start to know, to get the ball rolling, at least to start the rally to the upside. And yesterday we did see it moving to the upside. That was amazing. That was really good. So here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. We want to get the retracement. This can happen by Saturday or Sunday, so weekends are a little bit dumpy, but it still can happen anytime. It's crypto by the end of the day. But I'm just telling you from my experience that Saturday and Sunday, the market loves to retrace to the downside. So you're gonna see Monday, Tuesday pumping here and there, Wednesday, Thursday being a little bit sideways, Friday you start to go down, Saturday you get the dump, and Sunday you get the dump, and then we start Monday fresh. Okay, so you do have some few days to actually wait for it to come down, take an entry right there. That would be an amazing lovely entry. And let me tell you the technical targets of Vechain out of this inverse head and shoulder from there to there. That's gonna take you all the way to nearly 61, right? So if you do take the entry right here at the 46 or 47, that's gonna be lovely 31% rise to the upside, right? So this is currently what I'm looking at, because you did make at least a reversal pattern known as an inverse head and shoulder, and that's bullish. That's really good, and that's positive. That's the kind of patterns that you want to see. But when it reaches this place 61, I don't know what's going to happen after that. Honestly, I don't really know what's going to go on with Vechain as well. Are you going to continue? Are you going to start to fall again? Because let me give you one idea. Here we are, and look at this. You are going to find resistance right there. Do you see this? So if it does take you to the 61, there is a resistance up here as well. Just look at that resistance right there. Look at this resistance once again, if it does go up there. So things are clicking together, they're getting in together. So yeah, so I've given you the idea. So if you're looking to take the trade, amazing, you could take the trade. And by the way, we had a broadening descending wedge right here. You broke out of it, went down, back tested, and you went to the technical target. Amazing opportunity. But I didn't take that trade because of Bitcoin, guys. I hate Bitcoin when Bitcoin does that stupid thing of itself. Now anyway, it's okay. Anyway, we still have the opportunity out of an inverse head and shoulder right there. Wait for the retracement. We are going to get the pullback potentially, because the market has really rallied all of a sudden to the upside, and you are on the overbought scenario. You're on the overbought sector of things. So that's not when you invest, but you invest at the support, not at the resistance, right? So that's it for the Vechain update. Hope you enjoyed this one. The market is kind of looking a little bit merciful and kind to us, for us to get a little bit of a trade here and there. And I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.